Hello guys, you have probably noticed there are already tons of YouTube videos talking about free AI coding setup. Most of them usually recommend either running local models with Ollama or using cloud APIs like NVIDIA NIM or OpenRouter. But in today's video, we are going in a different direction. And honestly, if you are watching this, you are in the right place. Because on this channel, I constantly share new ways to access AI coding tools for free. Now, I previously made a video on NVIDIA NIM and a lot of people liked it, but there were also several issues. Many viewers couldn't verify their NVIDIA account because their countries weren't supported. Others ran into API problems or constant errors, and in my own experience, the API became extremely slow during peak traffic hours. Whenever we are using NVIDIA NIM, the response is late. We can't response we can't get a response in a quick time. So that is very slow. And there is other Ulama. We all know the reality there too. Running the Ulama local models require serious hardware, and our PCs we cannot run those models. So, what is the alternative? Recently, I found something really interesting. Inside OpenCode Zen, you can access Minimax M2.5 for free. It works globally, there is no phone verification required, and usage limits are handling dynamically depending on traffic. OpenCode manages most of this automatically. And you know that Minimax M2.5 is competing with the top models, as you can see in the benchmark, like with the Oppo's 4.6, Sonnet, and GPT, and other models. So now let's get into the start practical implementing it, and we will use this Minimax M2.5 inside Claude Code. Okay, so for this setup, first of all, we need a Node.js on our machine to be running. So just install Node.js, move to the download on nodejs.org and download it and install it. After that, we need to install OpenCode. When first of all configure OpenCode, then we will move to the Claude Code to set up that. So to install OpenCode, for that move to the OpenCode.ai website and come here to the npm. Simply copy this command and install it. So I will just install it for you. This is an empty folder. Let's open it in terminal and right click and paste it and press enter to install this. So after installing OpenCode, when you run the OpenCode command, press enter. So you will see the CLI of OpenCode. As you can see, this is the CLI tool of OpenCode. That's it. Now let's close it. Yeah, so after that, now we will move to get the API key. So part getting the API key, for that come here to the OpenCode back and click here at the top on Zen. After moving to the Zen, and here we will press and get started with Zen. Press this button. It says log into the OpenCode website. So for that, I will use my Google account. So I have created my account, as you can see. So after creating your account, you will see the list of model in Zen. So look at, you can see Minimax M2.5 for free. This is free that you can use it. So now let's get API key from this. So to get the API key, come here to the API keys. After coming here, now we will create our own. Press create API key and we will name it Claude Test and create it. So after creating this, now we will copy that. Let's copy this and store it somewhere. So let's go back to the empty folder and here right click and open the terminal. Simply here we will write open code to open the CLI back. So as you can see, this is the CLI tool of OpenCode. Now here what we are going to do, slash we will write connect, run this command slash connect. So here we will select our provider. So for the provider, we will select OpenCode Zen. Select this. After selecting that, you can see this is our base URL that we will use. And here we will paste our API key. So as we had our API key, look at this is our API key and we will paste that here. Paste that here and press enter. So that's it. After putting that, now we will see, you can see the Minimax M2.5 free. So simply select this. Now you can chat with us, hi, and you will see the response from Minimax M2.5. After setting up this, now we will use Claude Code to use this Minimax M2.5 inside Claude Code. So simply let's close this and we will go back to the Claude Code. And here, so to install Claude Code, for that you need to come here to the Claude Code, to the quick start, and here you can see commands for Mac and Linux, and also for Windows PowerShell and Windows CMD. Simple like copy this, the PowerShell one. After copying that, come here and right click the terminal, and here paste that command and press enter. So after pressing enter, so you will be able to install Claude Code on your machine. After installing that, simply check it like help, and you will see the list of the command. It means you have installed the Claude Code correctly. So that's it. Let's close this, and also we will close this one. And we need the environment variables now to use Claude Code, this Minimax M2.5 with the, okay, to use this Minimax M2.5 with the Claude Code. For that we need to change the settings.json file. So for that we will move to the C drive. Let's go to the C drive, and after moving to the C drive, move to the users. If you are Mac and Linux, move to the root folder and find .claude folder. Look at this .claude folder. Double click this, and after moving there, and double click on this settings.json file, and we will edit this. So after opening this setting.json file, simply put this inside setting.json file. As you can see, the base URL OpenCode.ai/Zen and the Anthropic model Minimax M2.5 free, and here we will paste our API key. Okay, so here I will just paste my API key that I have copied and other environment variables. It should be like this. So let's paste our API key. Come here back to the copy this. Later I will delete it back. Paste that. Save it. So after saving this, now let's go back to the empty folder and we will run it. Right click and open it inside the terminal, and simply write Claude and open that. As you can see, it says Anthropic API key. Do you want to use this API key? It says the custom API key has been used. Yes. So as you can see, the model Minimax M2.5 is selected. And let's now simply ask from this, will we get response or not? So we got the response. How can I help you? So simply which AI model is this? So as you can see, this conversation is powered by Minimax M2.5. So you can use this Minimax M2.5 inside Claude Code for free. As you can see, we just first of all set up and configure the OpenCode, then use that inside Claude Code. So this was the whole setup. You can enjoy coding now. It is free to use it, and it is by OpenCode. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment if you have any issue. So for more videos, press the bell icon also. I'm always uploading videos related to free AI coding. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.